Good morning, I'm Lauren Hayes for the Finance News Network. Stocks fell to start the week as investors took a pause from last week's big rally and digested a slew of corporate and economic news. The major stock indexes came off their lows after Federal Reserve Vice Chair Lael Brainard indicated the central bank could soon slow the pace of its interest rate increases, providing some comfort to the market. Looking ahead, the third quarter earnings season is set to continue with a heavy emphasis on retail. Big retailers Walmart, Home Depot, Target, Lowe's, Macy's and Kohl's are all slated to post numbers this week. Ahead of Brainard's comments, stocks briefly fell near session lows following reports that Amazon will lay off about 10,000 employees as early as this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.6%. The broad market S&P 500 was lower by 0.9% and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.1%. Chinese stocks continued to outperform the broader index as the easing of COVID restriction improved sentiment towards China. And digital asset exchanges are rushing to reassure clients that their funds are safe as the collapse of Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX crypto exchange ricochets through the industry. Binance, the world's biggest crypto trading venue, as well as smaller rivals including Crypto.com and the US-listed Coinbase, have vowed to publish proof that they hold sufficient reserves to match their liabilities to customers. FTX had less than $1 billion in easily sellable assets against $9 billion in liabilities before it went bankrupt on Friday, the Financial Times reported. The sudden collapse last week of FTX and Bankman-Fried's trading shop Alameda Research, once viewed as pillars of the industry, has severely eroded confidence in the digital asset market. And it appears that investors are happy to be leveraged long at the moment as fund flow into leveraged ETFs hits record levels, with $18.5 billion flowing calendar year to date, a record level. Across the sectors, it was all red on the board except for healthcare, which closed flat. Moderna shares rose over 4.5% after the COVID-19 vaccine provider said tests show its boosters are effective against subvariants of the virus. And shares of opiate pharmaceuticals surged 114% after the maker of the overdose reversal drug Narcan announced it is being purchased by UK drug maker Indivior for approximately $145 million. And oat-based drinks maker Oatly tumbled over 12.5% after the company reported a larger than expected quarterly loss and revenue that fell short of consensus. Oatly cited China COVID restrictions, production challenges and a stronger US dollar for the weakness in its performance. On the currency front, one Australian dollar has weakened compared to the US dollar yesterday, buying 67.01 US cents. Now to commodities. The iron ore futures are pointing to a 0.4% gain. Gold added 0.3%. Silver gained 1.8%. Copper dropped 2% and oil lost 4.2%. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% fall. I'm Lauren Hayes. Have a great day.